The Xiaomi S156 Drone is a powerhouse in a compact frame, built for professionals and beginners alike. This upgraded 2025 version features a large 4.5-inch built-in screen remote, 8K HD dual cameras, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, 4-sided obstacle avoidance, and optical flow positioning, all packed into a foldable, lightweight design ideal for aerial photography, travel, and smart flying. With an impressive 48-minute flight time, 2,000-meter control range, and a feature set that includes gesture control, 50x zoom, and intelligent follow, the S156 brings cinematic flying to your fingertips. Key features and specifications: 8K HD dual camera system, adjustable 90 degrees front lens via remote control, real-time FPV with 5G Wi-Fi transmission, dual view coverage with high-definition clarity, gesture photography, automatic shooting, 50x zoom, and more. 4.5-inch built-in screen controller. View your flight in real time without needing a smartphone. Easy for beginners and ultra-convenient for professionals. 4-way obstacle avoidance. Intelligent IR sensors on all sides for safer navigation. Stops the drone automatically before collision. Brushless motors. Quieter, more powerful, and longer lasting than brushed motors. Better wind resistance and smoother aerial stability. Advanced flight control system. Optical flow positioning for precise hover. 6-axis gyroscope for balanced and smooth motion. Trajectory flight, 1 key takeoff or landing, surround mode, gravity sensing. Extended battery performance. 48 minutes of flight time with 3.7V 1800 mAh battery. 60-minute fast charging via USB. Control distance up to 2,000 meters. Remote uses 3.7V 500 mAh rechargeable battery. Foldable and portable design. Compact folding arms and propellers. Lightweight yet durable build with LED navigation lights. Available in dark gray and orange. What's in the box? Xiaomi S156 Drone. Screen remote controller. 1800 mAh drone battery. USB charging cable. Spare propellers. User manual and accessories. Who should choose the Xiaomi S156? Beginner and intermediate drone flyers. Content creators needing 8K quality shots. Travelers and vloggers wanting foldable portability. Anyone looking for high-end features under an affordable price. The Xiaomi S156 Drone is more than just a camera drone. It's a flying smart camera platform with pro-grade features like a screen controller, dual 8K cameras, optical flow stability, and complete obstacle avoidance. With its long battery life, powerful brushless motors, and intuitive controls, this drone is a top-tier choice for those who want quality without compromise. Take your content to new heights with the Xiaomi S156. Like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tutorials, and unboxings.